Hi everyone, and welcome to week 6. This week we're going to be talking about how language shapes thought. And we'll be looking at two different ideas. One is storytelling and the other is called the Sapir-Whorf hypothesis. And the Sapir-Whorf hypothesis is basically that the structure of your language shapes the way you think. And the classic example of this, and you'll hear it a few times this week, is that some groups of Australian Aboriginals don't have words for left and right, but rather they use cardinal directions, so northeast, south, and west. And so in order to refer to where an object is in space, they have to stay oriented in terms of cardinal directions at all times, whereas an English speaker could just say, this can is on my left-hand side. But people have pointed out that that can't be everything. That is, the structure of your language doesn't encapsulate a whole cultural worldview. That there are other things that humans do with language that are important and that convey cultural values and content. So one of the things that people have talked about, like Jonathan Gottschall, is storytelling. And Gottschall points out that storytelling is so important to humans that he says we could be called homo fictus, as in fiction, instead of homo sapiens, thinking people. And he also says that storytelling is all around us. I mean, of course, there's books and there's films and plays, but there are more mundane versions of stories, like commercials, Bobby spilled grape juice on the white carpet. Oh no, what's going to happen? And jokes can be little mini stories. Even songs are kinds of stories. And on social media, we're asked to add to our story, to present ourselves and our story of our lives to other people. And Gottschall points out that it's even hard to turn this storytelling capacity off, that we're so hardwired for it. And I don't think it's an accident that when politicians make speeches, they don't just present the raw data, but they talk about personal stories, because these are the things that resonate with human beings. And so this week, we'll be doing a response to, and we'll be looking at the Sapir-Whorf hypothesis, and you'll get an opportunity to compare and contrast it with storytelling and how those two things shape thought. Okay, that's all for now. I hope you have a great week and happy learning. Bye now.